Just a quick disclaimer, this won't be the last time that I play on Xbox. I will every now and again be doing streams on Twitch and Mixer. The reason why I thought I needed a new console was because the Xbox I was currently using was pretty outdated. It was 7 or 8 years old, and I needed a new console because it has more storage and it's going to help me make more content for YouTube. Without further ado, let's get into the video. It's the PS4 Pro we just picked up, and so I'm going to say it again, and as I said earlier, I think I'm due an upgrade from the console I was currently using. The Xbox that I was using was the original Xbox One, so it was 7 or 8 years old. This PS4, the PS4 Pro that we have right here, is going to make it much easier for me to make content and YouTube videos. So without further ado, let's crack it open. Let's open. Flip it over, snap it in. So we have the instructions to set it up. There it is, brand new PS4 Pro. So the PS4 Pro has a terabyte of storage, which is double the Xbox storage that I was using. And again, it will make it easier for me to make content. But for any of my Xbox fans, there will still be live streams fairly oftenly on Xbox, streamed on Mixer and Twitch. So we have the connection cord, we have the remote. This looks like the HDMI cord, and this is the power cord, and this is the charging cord. So there you have it, the brand new PS4 Pro. There will be more videos coming soon on the PS4 Pro, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.